Welcome to Voromotors. Today we will be showing you how to replace the LED Hue on the Mantis King GT. You will need a 2.5mm hex key and your replacement LED Hue. To start off, remove the silicone deck cover around the edges to get to the hex screws underneath. Take your 2.5mm hex key and remove the 14 hex screws. Remove the deck cover and weather stripping. Locate the LED Hue, which is the small white box with 3 connectors. We recommend that you take photos of the connections before unplugging anything for reference later. Unplug all 3 connectors from the LED Hue one at a time. Plug in all 3 connectors from the replacement LED Hue one at a time. Be sure to refer to your reference photos to ensure everything is connected properly. Organize the cables neatly into the deck. Place on the weather stripping, ensuring the screw holes are aligned. Replace the deck cover and screw in the 14 hex screws with your 2.5mm hex key. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Check out more videos on our channel and visit us at voromotors.com.